at a certain age, kids go through literally hundreds of coloring pages or coloring books. While coloring is good for hand and eye coordination, improving fine motor skills, encouraging focus, and nurturing creativity, it does get boring after a while. So here are some ideas to make coloring more exciting. The materials that we will be using can be found at home or easily available from any craft store. For this project, we're going to need some coloring pens, a pair of scissors, some PVA glue, and a little bit of ribbon. So let's get started. So now that the colouring portion is done, we'll take some of the ribbon, and what we'll do is we'll carefully measure out how much we'll need. Prepare by cutting the different pieces. One. Now, in case you're wondering, these pieces of ribbon are actually offcuts from different projects that I generally keep so that they don't go to waste. Stick it on. The nice thing about PVA glue is it dries clear, so you don't have to worry about it's smearing at the moment. It'll be fine when it's dry. While it's still wet, you can gently adjust its position, like so. Then all you need to do is wait for it to dry. I hope you enjoyed today's craft project. How did yours go? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video,